that all the clothes that you are wearing are actually harmful to the environment? Production of textile and manufacturing of clothes is very water intensive and produces 20% of global wastewater, and this process releases 10% of global carbon emission, which is more than all international flights and maritime shipping combined. It might sound ridiculous, but it's true. Hello and good day everyone, I am Ting, and today we will be discussing about responsible consumption and production being as one of the Sustainable Development Goal, SDG. This SDG goal is to ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns, and this responsible is more likely to rely on the manufacturers by producing products through economically sound process that minimize negative environmental impact. Can you imagine that 10,000 liters of water will be used to produce only 1 kilo of cotton, and that water consumption is enough for 10 years of human drinks? What should be done by manufacturers in achieving this SDG Goal 12? First, manufacturers should evaluate and optimize the use of fossil fuels. To assess the environmental impacts of the entire product life, manufacturers can implement life cycle assessment to figure out the main stage that consume the most fossil fuels. From there, manufacturers can also switch to renewable sources of energy by investing in utility-scale solar and wind projects. For instance, IKEA, Google, Panasonic and Nike are switching to 100% renewable energy by investing in those projects. This can help to minimize their dependence on fossil fuels, reducing utility bills, boosting productivity, and enhance their corporate social responsibility. Besides, manufacturing units should employ effective waste management to reduce the residual waste by streamlining operations and implementing recycling projects and waste minimized practices. For instance, Panasonic is implementing waste management strategies to recycle sludge into dehydrated powder sludge that can be used by cement companies to produce cementing mixtures. Furthermore, manufacturers can employ pollution prevention strategies by using recycled materials to minimize their environmental footprints. For instance, Samsung is replacing plastic packaging with sustainable materials like recycled items and bioplastics and updating products design to cut waste. Besides, manufacturers should avoid purchasing raw materials from companies that are using non-eco-friendly ingredients or packaging material. Can we achieve the transformative promise of 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development Goals, which is leaving no one behind? We can do it if all the parties, especially manufacturers, are taking the initiative to take sustainable practices to create a better tomorrow. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.